Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying your Vivo supports split screen and freeing resources. This prevents slowdowns. Once done, open the first app you want to use and swipe up to reveal recent apps or press the Recent button. Make sure to tap the app icon or menu and select split screen mode. That anchors the first app to the top or left. You're already in motion. Now pick the second app from Recents or the home screen to fill the remaining half. Once both apps are displayed, interact with the center divider to get the layout you want. Small moves change the visible workspace immediately. Make sure to use the swap control when you need the apps reversed. This saves tapping back and forth. You can drag text, images, or links between supported apps, hold and drag to the other pane. If you need to prevent accidental exits, lock or pin the active app. This maintains your split arrangement while you work. To finish, either drag the divider fully to one edge or tap the Exit Split option to restore single app view. That completes the session. If you see lag or freezes, first close background apps, restart the phone, and confirm both apps and the OS are updated. These steps often resolve issues. Once done, clear an app's cache or reinstall it if problems persist, and make sure required permissions are granted so the apps can communicate and render.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.